All right, Republic has now accessed details of the Delhi police charge sheet in the Delhi riots probe. This is the latest breaking update that we are bringing you, that the charge sheet gives details of the Pinjara Tod role in the Delhi riots. And as per the charge sheet, now the Pinjara Tod gang planned and executed the celebrated attack on the policemen as well. We'll now go across to my colleague Atul, who's getting us the latest on this. Atul, these are, in fact, startling details of the charge sheet and the role of the Pinjara Tod gang as well. Please share more.
Well, definitely the charge sheet reveals the charge sheet of Delhi police, which has been filed before Karkarduma court, and the charge sheet reveals that the Pinjara Tod girls had planned the successful attack. They spoke to one Rahul Roy that the attack on cops was successful, and all the women who attacked police officers, including the DCP and the ACP, were taken to Jahangirpuri. And the payments of the 7 buses in which these women were taken to Jahangirpuri were paid by the Pinjara Tod girls. Apart from this, the charge sheet has also mentioned that Pinjara Tod girls has changed the name of the organizations to the Warriors because they knew that cops had known the presence of Pinjara Tod girls in the area of Jafarabad, and they wanted to fool the cops. Therefore, they were telling everyone that we are from the warrior groups because they just wanted to stay away from the cops. So these two information that has been mentioned in the charge sheet, that first, when the attack took place, these Pinjara Tod girls, especially Devangana, spoke to one Rahul Roy, and she was telling that the success story of the attack. So definitely it is giving this kind of information that they were very happy that the cops were attacked. So definitely what Delhi police is trying to say that it was the largest conspiracy. Everyone was involved in this, and the few WhatsApp groups which the Delhi police has mentioned in details, that Pinjara Tod girls were also being mentioned in that charge sheet by Safura Jargars and others, that people from the girls from Pinjara Tod girls are present in Jafarabad area.
In fact, Atul, another question to you. They were not just celebrating the attack on the policemen, but also in a way funding and paying the fare of these 7 buses which were used to take these girls from one place to another. If we can also share more light on that, and as to how they were also changing their names and in a way trying to evade the police authorities.
Well, definitely. Why did they have to change the name of their organization from Pinjara Tod to the Warriors? Because when cops will come to know that the girls are from the Warrior, they will think that this is the new organizations. Because everyone knew that Pinjara Tod had already been, active in anti-social activities all the times. So this time when they raised to, provoke people, especially women, against the cops, and when they were forcing others to sit on the protest, anti-CA protest, so they just wanted to keep themselves away from the cops. So definitely first they planned that they will not tell anyone that they are from Pinjara Tod girls, and therefore they needed a new name. They said everyone that they are from the Warriors. Second thing is that they were paying the fares they're paying the fares to the bus operators who were taking the women from Chandbagh area to Jahangirpuri. These are the same women who had attacked an ACP and a DCP of that area, and they were badly injured. And in those attacks, one head constable, Ratan Laj, was shot dead. So this is actually very serious in nature, what Delhi police has mentioned in the charge sheets. And definitely they have also exposed, the special cell has also exposed that how this was a deep-rooted conspiracy, and everyone was, everyone, be it the Pinjara Tod girls or be it from the other organizations committee, they all were equipped. They all were talking to each other through WhatsApp, and they were all were telling their parts, you will have to go to Jafarabad, you will have to perform their duty over, you provoke people and you pay the fare. And so Delhi police has known each and everything. Now the court will take the cognizance of the charge sheet, and we are hoping that again all the accused will be summoned.
All right, thank you so much, Atul, for getting us those exclusive details of the charge sheet that has now been filed in the Delhi riots case. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this.